Guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we are playing Ob Legend. Yes, Wallahi event starts. Yes, it's the first event ever. It's update 8. It shows update 1. I don't know why. It's just a picture when the game started, okay? But never mind. What are you gonna say, guys? Are you gonna say something? No. Okay. Okay, so the event will start, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. The event will start. Yes. Yes, the event will start. And I'm excited, I guess. You just have to wait. Okay. 19. He said 19. Okay, let's wait, I guess. The event will come. I am excited. I already know what's going to come, but I'm not telling you guys. Yes, this is my brother, this is my friend, this is an admin beggar's friend. Okay, don't tell him that. Yes, an admin beggar game. He didn't even buy it. And he only wants Robux, yes. He wants to get Bloxburg with my Robux. I seriously don't know why. Oh my god, I already know what the time because I'm looking on my Google tablet. Okay. 21, 80, 17, 60, 84, 40, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Wow, 2 orbs, 3 or 5 orbs, 6 or 7 orbs. Oh my god, so much orbs. A laser, oh my god. 2 lasers, oh my god. Only 2, that's all. 3 lasers, 4 lasers, oh my god, so much lasers. Now what? What's gonna happen? I guess it will stay like this, guys. So guys, did you like the event? So yeah, this was the event. My brother is laughing, oh my god. He did the event wrong. I wanted a white screen after this part and when the shift lock to come, but I guess my brother is always doing wrong. And yet there are so many orbs. Oh my god, my brother is orb guy. What? Oh my god, my event is ruined. Yay, my brother has a white screen, but I don't know why I don't. Okay, I'm going to sit down the server and let's look how it will look. Going to look like, wait, let me pause. I'm going to pause and then we will join the game. Okay guys, so let's join back and see. Shift lock, oh my god. Orb is not shiny anymore, oh my god, and shift lock. Bro, will game added shift lock? I mean, I added it. Yes, you do think I did it. Yes, I did it. Me and my brother. And look, the skin's same. Well, I don't know why my brother is flying. Let's just stick there. But I think he wants to be a god. I think he wants to be god to fly. Why he's laughing? How is he laughing when he's flying? Oh my god, that's weird. Okay, look at Vorb, it's not shiny anymore. Is there something at VIP? Yes, my brother can't check it out because he didn't get VIP. I bought it. Yes, I bought it. What's wrong? Nothing is wrong. Let's play for Void. It's nightmare. Whoop. Whoop. Hi, and I fold. Still Ziploc, it's cool! Yes, you guys know. This is me, this is my brother, this is my friend. He did some things. You might think he did nothing, but nothing, guys. But he has a channel too, so why don't you sub at my brother and I? My brother's called Rest English. He has like, I think 48 or 47 subs, and 9 got like 3 or 2. Yeah, cool. And yeah, cool. Yeah, cool. Kind of cool. And I died. Oh, by the way, that doggy was made by now. Yes, that was Raven, guys. Land the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye. See me in other vids.